Hey, money magnets, let's dive into why this secret credit union, $50,000 credit cards, are better than Navy Federal Credit Union.
You know, and the great thing about this credit union is open to everyone and they have really high limits. Guys, we're talking about the United States Senate Federal Credit Union.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the products that they have to offer. Okay, so they have two cards with this particular credit union. One of them is the Smart Rate credit card, and the other one is the Smart Rewards card. Okay, so both of these cards have a lot of the same benefits, like there's no transaction fees, like there's no balance transfer fees, there's no cash advance fees. Marvin, I love that there's no, because you can go to the bank and pull the money off the card,
Right.
and you don't get charged that extra fee for pulling that money off the card, because a lot of credit cards do that nowadays. Okay, there's no annual fee for both of these cards. I love that.
Yes.
Those annual fees can add up very quickly. Just to hold that card in your wallet, you're already in the negative when you think about it. Okay, the other thing, money magnets, is there's no over the limit fee.
Yeah.
A lot of times when we go over the limit, there's like a $25 charge for being over the limit.
Right.
They don't charge you anything. But keep in mind, you don't want your card to be over the limit, because when you do that and it reports to your credit,
Right.
that doesn't look good to creditors, okay? Because that means you're not managing the limit that they have given you.
Right. And also keep in mind, if you have high limits on other credit cards, you can do a balance transfer to these cards. And keep in mind that your limit on these cards will be determined by your credit score.
Okay. Now, Marvin, one of the other things that I love on this rewards card, Marvin, is for every dollar you spend, you get 1 point. So it's 1 for 1,
Yeah.
So that's a good way for you to rack up. And there's no special categories like a lot of other cards are. So you can swipe your card for anything and you're going to get 1 point for every one of those dollars. Okay. The other thing about these two cards is the difference in the interest rate.
Right.
Okay. So for the Smart Rate, we're talking about a 13% interest rate.
Right.
And for the rewards card, it's a percentage higher. So it's 14%. Okay. So Marvin, now that we dived into the two cards that they have to offer, let's see what other products that they have, money magnets.
Well, Glory, look, I want to ask everybody in the audience, make sure you comment below if you've had any experience with this credit union, because we want to make sure we keep all our money magnets abreast of any changes that have been made, or we want to hear about your success as well.
And if you haven't heard about this credit union, this is a good opportunity for you to dive a little bit deeper and see what they have to offer that can benefit your situation.
All right, so let's dive into the personal loans. Now they have personal loans that go up to $50,000. So if you have any family vacations, you want to get married, or maybe you got some home projects you're working on, this personal loan would be great. But keep in mind, when you get a personal loan, as soon as you get the loan, the payment starts. So have that in mind and keep that in your budget. Also, guys, look, if you're looking to do a startup business, or you have an existing business that you want to raise up to $250,000 with, Glory and I will give you a free business strategy call. Make sure you get in touch with us. Also, they have personal lines of credit. So let's say you want to get approved for the $50,000, but you don't want that payment coming right away. Get a personal line of credit, because then when you pay it off, you don't have to apply again. You can use it, pay it off, use it again. That's the great thing about a personal line of credit. But beware that you don't get that utilization too high or max it out, because it will hurt your credit score.
Yeah, that's one thing I love about, when we're talking about lines of credit, you only pay for what you use when you use it. With the loan, you're going to start those payments immediately. But with that line of credit, you can let it sit for a little while, and then as you need it, you use it, and then you pay.
Exactly. But keep in mind, guys, you need to start a relationship with the United States Senate Federal Credit Union by opening up a checking account or savings account, and think about seasoning that account for at least 90 days by doing direct deposits, actually making transactions in and out, or use it as a savings account where you save money, but you're starting that relationship to get you ready to apply for these products.
Yes, Marvin. And we always talk about this, money magnets, that, it's about building relationships. Banks want to see that relationship. They're not with the money grabs anymore, where you used to could just apply for their products and then you don't have to do business. No, they want to do business with you, and especially credit unions, because credit unions are all about the community.
Exactly.
That's what they're all about. They're nonprofits and they're about building the community. That's why a lot of credit unions are, they have those secure cards or things. But this particular credit union, if you don't have the credit, you don't want to apply for their products.
Right. Now, let's jump into the auto loans. So, Gloria, they have auto loans that go up to 110% of the value of the car. You can stretch the payments out to 84 months. That's a lot of time.
Yeah, that's a cash flow changer.
Right. And if you wanted to refinance your car, say you got a higher payment somewhere else, but you might want to refinance it over here so you can get a lower payment, that's a great option as well. And also they got RV loans, motorcycle loans, all kinds of loans for other vehicles that you might want in your personal life.
Wow, that right there, Marvin, can most definitely save you some money because you have a longer period of time to pay it back. And because they go over the 100% mark, right there can most definitely be a cash flow changer. Okay, also, Marvin, let's not forget that they have an extended warranty that right there could really change the game for you, as well as gap coverage, okay? You can do everything right here with this credit union. And the other thing that I love, Marvin, they have what they call TrueCar. So you sort of like a Carfax. It can help you find a car and help you know what the value of that car is.
And what you should pay for it.
Exactly.
So that way you don't overpay, because most banks are not really going to loan you more than what a car is worth. You know what I love about the TrueCar, Gloria? They're going to tell you the actual price that you should pay at the dealership. That's the great thing about it.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive over to the home loans and look at those products as well.
All right, Gloria, one of the products that I really like was the home improvement loan.
Okay.
It goes up to $70,000 and they'll let you borrow up to 110% of what your home is worth. So if you want to do some repairs or do some renovations, and you can get terms up to 180 months.
Wow.
That's actually great to, help you fix your house up if you already owned your house, or maybe help you buy furniture or add things to the house.
Most definitely, Marvin. Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the first time home buyers program. Okay. So you can buy a home in any state.
Right.
I love that. That right there could really change the game for you with this particular credit union. Okay.
Right.
And they have flexible terms where it's a 30 or 25, 15 or 10-year mortgage. So, they have flexible, years of how long you want to finance your home. Okay. So, and like I stated, remember Money Magnets, it's in all 50 states, okay?
Yep, and you could do FHA and VA.
Most definitely. And they have it where your down payment is as low as 3%.
That's nice. That's nice.
Very nice.
That'll really help you out if you're starting out and you're a first-time home buyer and you have a really tight budget. 3% is not bad.
Okay, Money Magnets, now that we have told you about all the amazing benefits that this particular credit union has to offer, let's do a quick recap, okay? So you want to make sure that you have at least over a 700 credit score, and they pull Experian. It's a hard pull, right? Let's not forget that. And the pull is good for 30 days. So that means you can not only get into the credit union with that pull, you also can get products with that pull.
Look, and guys, you can also join through the American Consumer Council, which we've talked about in several videos. If you join it, it'll open up so many other credit unions that you can join. Also, I would make sure I have less than 3 inquiries on my Experian. Like Gloria said, I would have a 700 credit score. Then I would check my check systems. You don't want to have applied for more than 3 bank accounts in 6 months. So pull your check systems report and see where you are. Also, guys, if you want us to go over the business side of the United States Senate Federal Credit Union, make sure you drop some comments below. And if you thought you got value out of this video, make sure you like and share.
Okay, Marvin, hold up. I have a gem. Okay, so Money Magnets, if you want to see another credit union that's better than Navy Federal, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.